Right, we've just checked in and we're on level 2. And this is our room. And it's 219. Not looking onto the pitch, unfortunately. So we'll just go in. There we are. It's a standard room. King size bed. USB sockets and little lights for the bed. Table and chairs at the window. Basically we're in the back of the hotel, so we're onto streets and parking. As I said, you can pay more to look over onto the pitch side, but when we're just here for one night it wasn't worth it. There we go, that's a full-size mirror. Television in a cabinet on the wall. See what's in this cupboard. Just a cupboard. Well, maybe he's had a fridge in there at one point, but it's just an empty cupboard. That's all our junk on top of there. See what's in this one. Tea and coffee, the usual. Plenty of hanging space. Got your mandatory hairdryer. 2 hangers. Wow. Good job we're not staying here for a week then. Might have some more hangers on this side. Oh, ironing board. 4 hangers on this side. And there's a wee safe down there. And an iron on top of it. Oops, slam, slam. David's hiding behind the door. And then this is the bathroom. There we go, bath and a shower combined. Not too bad at all. And then 1 sink, and then you've got your toilet. And basically that's the room. There we go. Plenty of towels for the morning. For some reason I was thinking it would be a bit posher for it being a football hotel, but I think we were spoiled when we went to Kilmarnock's match that time, because that hotel was quite swish. And there's the travel lodge out there. So plenty of accommodation. So we're nowhere near the seafront like we normally stay in the Viking Hotel, which is on the seafront, but this is just for one night to see Mrs. Brown's boys. So there you go, that's the room tour. So then I'll take some pictures outside the winter gardens and maybe inside. And maybe a little video if I can sneak one in. It was very quiet earlier on. We went to see whereabouts we went to later on, and I should have done a video then. But I didn't, so I'll do one later, which will be a lot busier. There we go, I'll sign out for now. And we'll see you later for Mrs. Brown's boys. Should be fun.